Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Canva and selecting websites from the left menu. Sign in if needed. Once you have templates visible, choose one that matches your goal and device focus, then upload your logo, hero image, and brand colors. Make sure your images are 70x150 dpi and your copy is broken into headings and bullets. You're now ready to invoke Canva's AI tools for layout and copy. We'll do that next to speed design without losing control. You'll use Canva's AI features like magic design and text to populate structure and craft headlines. Prompt it with your audience and tone for better results. Once the AI generates sections, replace placeholder copy and customize CTAs, features, and testimonials to reflect real benefits. Make sure to refine spacing, line height, and responsive settings under mobile view so elements don't overlap. Also link navigation items to anchors within the page, so you now preview the site in both desktop and mobile modes. Click every link, submit forms, and verify analytics tracking. Once satisfied, publish using Canva's domain or connect your custom domain and enable HTTPS so the site is secure. If components shift or images crop oddly, clear your browser cache and recheck responsive settings. If that fails, reset the problematic section and reapply padding and alignment. Finally, announce the launch and monitor feedback to iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.